What lesson you can give to the youth today who is struggling between practicality, realism?
Few years, just a year back, I started exploring myself as a stand-up comedian. Can I make people laugh and think about life? मैं आम में खास ढूंढता हूँ. 2 years back, got married to Rupali, and it was a new beginning for both of us. And we discovered that a whole lot of people, had, then how can you get married at this age? How can you begin again? So I realized that they were not angry with us, they were angry with the age. So we are kind of part of a movement in which we are saying, add zindagi to your age.
How do you convince yourself to have a fulfilling life?
हम जो करना चाहते हैं हमसे बेहतर कौन जानता है?
बिल्कुल,
आप समझ रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल. Ashish ji, do you advocate the thought of manifestation? Because when we manifest positive things, I think those things start coming into your life.
Well, that's a very interesting question, I must admit. Manifestation, people think is very halabalu thing. No, it's not zuzu. Manifestation is actually asking for things that you really wish for yourself.
People's imagination, visualization, fantasy changing about cinema, actors, religion, life.
Your parents brought you up in a completely different set of values and you are such a wonderful person. तो अगर हम इस पर डिबेट करना बंद कर दें कि मेरा तरीका इज बेटर देन योर तरीका, तो एक अमेजिंग वर्ल्ड है.
बिल्कुल.
अगर हम लोग अपने वर्तमान, इफ वी कैन सेलिब्रेट आवर प्रेजेंट, उससे ज्यादा मुक्ति किसी चीज में नहीं है. और सिट डाउन आशीष भी ऐसे हुआ कि लोगों ने कहा यार आशीष कितना करता है तू, साल का हो रहा है, बैठ जा. मैंने कहा गुड, आई लव दैट नेम. तो माय स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी इज कॉल्ड सिट डाउन आशीष. So first of all, I was very happy with the line of questioning that you had, which kind of shows the depth that you bring to this work. I'm very grateful to have this conversation with you. मैं बहुत दिन बहुत खुश रहता हूँ और कई दिन बहुत दुखी रहता हूँ. Don't aim for perfection, walk towards it and be completely okay with your own imperfections and others' imperfections. ढेर सारा प्यार.
It's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice. Welcome on my podcast, and today I brought a guest with whom I'm going to talk about his very novel concept, Avid Miner. Let's come to know what's Avid Miner with Ashish Vidyarthi ji. Ashish ji, how are you feeling?
Rasna ji, feeling very good. First time in Melbourne, so very happy to be here and in conversation for your podcast.
Thank you for the time. And Ashish ji, I wanted to ask you a question. You are a foodie, traveler, actor, vlogger, right? Is there anything other than this that audience should know? Any aspect of yours that has not been explored yet?
What has not yet been explored is not yet been explored. But otherwise, of course, I'm an actor, primarily an actor. And over the years, I have been exploring many different aspects of life. So a few years back, about 13 years back, I also started exploring making a difference with my conversations. So that's how Avid Miner was born.
Avid Miner.
So I travel all over the world and create conversations for organizations, sets of people. Basically, my one line about life is that if people can see hope, then they do not have time to discuss others.
Yep.
And therefore, there will be no hatred.
Yes.
So my belief is that if you and I, if we think that we can do something amazing with our life,
Yeah.
then we'll go about constructing it and also meeting people, aiding them to create an amazing life, allowing ourselves to take support from others to make an amazing life. So essentially, if each one of us really look at our day as a probability,
Yeah.
whole lot of possibilities that can open up.
And Ashish ji, reeling into and transitioning into the motivational speaking
Yep.
and life coaching.
Yep.
What lesson you can give to the youth today who is struggling between practicality, realism,
So Rasna ji,
and
one
fantasy?
thing is very clear. We got to be really, no two people will ever walk the same path.
Yeah.
So you
True.
are absolutely free to choose your path. Make your path worth it.
True.
So really create things that inspire you. All right. So that is one part. And therefore, as I said that, even as I've been exploring different aspects of my life, a few years, just a year back, I started exploring myself as a stand-up comedian.
Yeah.
And again, my stand-up comedy, which is called Sit Down Ashish, I started when I was 59 years old. The entire context of that was, can I make people laugh and think about life?
Yeah.
So so it's clean family comedy, and people are really enjoying that. And about 3 years back, I started vlogging. That's again post-COVID development. So I travel to different parts of the world wherever I go for my shootings, for my talks, and I capture stories of people creating amazing food. And there again, मैं आम में खास ढूंढता हूँ.
जरूर.
You know,
बिल्कुल.
things which are very simple around us, can we see value in it?
Yeah.
Because, you know, many of us are known and they're famous. But we got to remember our parents are possibly not known.
Absolutely.
They were
Absolutely.
amazing people.
Absolutely.
So therefore, over the years, I have, you know, discovered the value in the amazing around us.
Yeah, in the commonality.
In the, yes, what are things around us, rather than aspiring for something very distant and then say that the amazing is going to be there. So that's what I do even in my vlogs. So Ashish Vidyarthi Active Vlogs is how we tell our stories. And then 2 years back, got married to Rupali, and it was a new beginning for both of us. And we discovered that a whole lot of people, you know, had, you know, then how can you get married at this age? How can you begin again? So I realized that they were not angry with us, they were angry with the age. Because there's this entire conversation about age that you're going to give up on things. So therefore we started another challenge. It's called 50 plus Zindagi. So we are kind of part of a movement in which we are saying, add Zindagi to your age. Don't be conscious of your age.
Absolutely.
You can do amazing things, have an amazing full life.
Age is just number.
And each one of us has aspirations. Okay? And we deserve to fulfill it. So fulfill responsibilities and create extraordinary things with your life and your day, whatever be your age.
How did you develop this thought process, Ashish ji? A fulfilling life. There is a lot of anxiety, depression everywhere. How do you convince yourself to have a fulfilling life, and what message you can give to our viewers that how you can lead that kind of life so easily and smoothly?
Exactly this reason. I found myself doing about 13, 14 years back, I discovered that I was doing a lot of work, but was amazingly unhappy. So then I said, there is some disconnect. Just work should be making me happy because I'm very well known and all that. And that's when I started inquiring into what is it that I'm missing. And therefore, I arrived at that in this entire world, if I am competing with you and you are competing with someone else, so you're all a set of very unhappy people trying to live a life which is in competition with others.
Yeah.
And therefore, the thing that I arrived at is that how about developing and being an amazing version of yourself? Now, I promise you, it is much easier than people can imagine. Because आप और मैं, हम जो करना चाहते हैं हमसे बेहतर कौन जानता है?
बिल्कुल.
आप समझ रही?
बिल्कुल.
So when we can actually be the best version of ourselves, we are unbeatable, unstoppable. So I encourage people, could be through my vlogs, to my motivational talks, to even my stand-up comedy, is all about people saying, be okay with your brokenness.
Yeah.
Each one of us is broken here.
Yeah.
And it's completely okay that you are broken and you can do something amazing with yourself, with your unique brokenness.
Ashish ji, do you advocate the thought of manifestation? Because when we manifest positive things, I think those things start coming into your life.
Well, that's a very interesting question, I must admit. Manifestation, people think is very halabalu thing. No, it's not zuzu. Manifestation is actually asking for things that you really wish for yourself. And tell me, the universe is asking you to ask.
Yeah.
You know, so there's nothing. Don't be embarrassed to ask for it. So, see, what is the choice? Typically, we say, yaar, kuch nahi chal raha, yaar, pooch mat. कट रही है यार, यू नो लाइक वी आर कंटिन्यूअसली
Exactly.
हैप्पी अनहैप्पी और वही जिंदगी जी रहे हैं। मैनिफेस्टेशन अगर आप कहें कि बेसिकली आप चाहते क्या है, यू एंड आई वांट टू बी हैप्पी, यू एंड
True.
आई वांट टू एक्चुअली
True.
फील फुलफिल्ड।
True.
So if you look at it, this is the moment of the best possible today.
Absolutely, Ashish ji,
And
absolutely.
इसको सेलिब्रेट करते हैं ना, इसको सेलिब्रेट करते हुए we will construct that which we want next. But in that quest for the next, don't forget what you have.
Absolutely. I've heard you talking about a lot of good concepts about God, manifestation, spiritual living. Ashish ji, when I take a deep dive into the things, and if we look into our scriptures also, scriptures teach us these things.
That's
is-
the
is
thing that they teach, yes.
That is the positive manifestation about the
Yes,
things.
yes,
So, Ashish ji, as you travel, you've been an actor for quite a long period of time. You've seen different phases of life. How do you see people's imagination, visualization, fantasy changing about cinema, actors, religion, life?
So, you know, one of the things, since I have worked across 11 different languages, I've done 300 plus films. One thing which I discovered is that different people have different valid ways of living. मैं एक तरह से बड़ा हुआ, बहुत अच्छी तरीके से बड़ा हुआ। उसके बाद मैं आपको देखता हूँ, आप भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से बड़ी हुई, एकदम अलग तरीके से।
जी,
Your parents brought you up in a completely different set of values, and you are such a wonderful person. तो इस तरीके से मैंने देखा कि जहाँ जहाँ मैं घूमा हूँ, different societies, different religions, different regions, you know, each one of them has a different way of bringing up good people. I started acknowledging, अरे यार, there are other ways of being amazing too. तो अगर हम ये रियलाइज कर लेना, तो हमारे पाथ्स एक है। हम लोग जरिया सबके अलग अलग होंगे, सबके जरिए अलग अलग होंगे। आप कुछ और भाषा में अच्छी बात बोल रही हैं, कोई और किसी और भाषा में बोल रहा है। तो अगर हम इस पर डिबेट करना बंद कर दें कि मेरा तरीका इज बेटर देन योर तरीका, तो एक अमेजिंग वर्ल्ड है।
बिल्कुल,
क्योंकि हम लोग सब चाहते हैं अपने घर के लिए कुछ अच्छा करें।
एग्जैक्टली।
वी ऑल वांट टू हैव एन अमेजिंग डे यार, सुख के साथ हम लोग रहें। डिबेट अगर ये हो जाएगा, बस तुम्हारा रास्ता अच्छा है कि मेरा, अब मैं लड़ूंगा आपसे। और
एब्सोल्युटली,
मैं लोगों को एनकरेज करता हूँ
कि अपना
ऐसा-
रास्ता,
कुछ
अपना।
ऐसा करें कि आप कुछ कमाल करें, मैं कुछ कमाल करूं, और मैं और आप जैसे आज कर रहे हैं, है ना, कुछ एक दूसरे के कमाल में, लेट्स बी compatriots in that.
Yeah,
Let's walk
absolutely.
together and create something.
Absolutely. Ashish ji, you have been inspiring millions of people with your thoughts, and that thought process is not a one-day job. That has been a process. So, what was the turning point in your life when you started thinking about the fulfilling life that you're leading today?
As I told you, I was going through this entire phase that I'm doing really well in my career. So there's that aspect of unhappiness. So I had seen my parents, you know, seemingly who had a lot less than what I had. But they were so happy and contented. So that is which got me in search कि मैं किस तरीके से उस तरह बढ़ूं। और मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि मैं अपने माता पिता से एकदम अलग हूं। और तब मुझे इस जब रास्ते में चला, तो मैं पाया कि मैं उनसे अलग सोचते हुए भी कुछ अमेजिंग कर सकता हूँ,
बिल्कुल,
खुश रह सकता हूँ।
बिल्कुल।
तो मेरा यही मानना है कि अगर हम लोग अपने वर्तमान, इफ वी कैन सेलिब्रेट आवर प्रेजेंट, उससे ज्यादा मुक्ति किसी चीज में नहीं है। एक नई जो मैंने चीज करी है, विच आई रियली वांट टू ब्रिंग टू मेलबर्न आल्सो, देयर आर टू एस्पेक्ट्स। वन इज माय स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी, इज कॉल्ड सिट डाउन आशीष। और सिट डाउन आशीष भी ऐसे हुआ कि लोगों ने कहा, यार आशीष कितना करता है तू, 60 का हो रहा है, बैठ जा। मैंने कहा गुड, आई लव दैट नेम। तो माय स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी इज कॉल्ड सिट डाउन आशीष। द अदर थिंग इज समथिंग कॉल्ड जिंदगानियां, सुकून की कहानियां।
Now you do stories.
जी जी, मैं कहानियां सुनाता हूँ। मेरे साथ एक गिटारिस्ट होते हैं, वो गाने गाते हैं। और एसेंशियली आई एम टेकिंग पीपल थ्रू एन इवनिंग ऑफ रिलैक्सेशन, जहां पर मैं कहानियां अपनी सुनाऊंगा, लेकिन आप उसमें कुछ ऐसा पाएंगे जिसमें कहेंगे, अरे हाँ यार, ये तो मेरे साथ भी हुआ है। आप समझ पा रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल.
So I really believe that each one of us, when we share stories, we create a realm in which we are creating mutual respect.
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली आशीष जी, ये बहुत अच्छा रिलेटिविटी और रेलेवेंस को आप लेकर चल रहे हैं. दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली अ गुड जर्नी फॉर द यूथ टू गेट इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम, बिकॉज when we see the interviews, Ashish ji, we admire people, right? We see their interviews and sometimes we feel a lack. You know, there is little emptiness. The thing that you said, the unhappiness that you felt. You are successful but unhappy. So we feel that emptiness sometimes. And I think you have taken the right step and you are doing a wonderful job entertaining people through inspirational messages. Your story program is really very nice. You're a very good storyteller, Ashish ji.
Well,
I really wish we would have had a long, vivid conversation for an hour, but I would look forward to that. That is one of my manifestations.
Zarur.
We will look forward, we will talk, collaborate on certain thoughts. You know, you talk about non-duality concept most of the time. That comes from the scriptures. So there are so many commonalities among the scriptures.
Absolutely.
But people fight on the name of religion, caste, race. So there is a lot to talk about. Well, definitely. And Ashish ji, do you want to say anything to the people who are viewing you from our portal?
So first of all, I was very happy with the line of questioning that you had, which kind of shows the depth that you bring to this work. I'm very grateful to have this conversation with you. And yes, I would look forward to an extended conversation sometime in the future. ज़रूर मैं करूँगा. और फिलहाल मैं आप सबसे यही कहूँगा, सबसे पहले कि when we listen to somebody who's bringing out the good thoughts, so keep supporting her in the work that she's doing by listening to the interesting conversations that she's bringing for all of you. And finally, again, something which I believe at core, this is an amazing gift that we have, you and I have, of being alive at this moment in life. हर रोज़ कुछ खास करते हैं यार, है ना? और मेरा यकीन है कि जब हम हर रोज़ ज़रा सा और देते हैं अपने काम में, अपने फ़र्ज़ में, किसी भी चीज़ में, तब कुछ कमाल करते हैं. और बाकी सुख और दुख वो तो हिस्सा है. मैं बहुत दिन बहुत खुश रहता हूँ और कई दिन बहुत दुखी रहता हूँ, पर उन दोनों को गले मिलाकर मैं अपने साथ चलता हूँ. कुछ को रखता हूँ थोड़ी और ज़्यादा देर, कुछ को जाने देता हूँ. तो ऐसे ही आप भी चलते रहिए. डोंट एम फॉर परफेक्शन, वॉक टुवर्ड्स इट एंड बी कंप्लीटली ओके विथ योर ओन imperfections and others' imperfections. ढेर सारा प्यार.
Thank you, Ashish ji, for joining today.
Appreciate
It was a wonderful message, and thanks for acknowledging our efforts and encouraging. Thank you so much.
और आपको बताऊँ, मैं भूल ना जाऊँ, I am starting an online acting course जहाँ पर anyone can act.
Very good.
All right. तो मैं उसको लाऊंगा. I will share the link with you.
Absolutely.
Because I personally believe that अभिनय एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो सब करना चाहते हैं. And I have just created a process which will be available online.
We'll look forward to that, Ashish
बहुत
ji. We'll look forward to that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
बहुत सारा शुक्रिया आपका.
Thank you so much.
बहुत शुक्रिया.
So this was Ashish Vidyarthi ji, who is in Melbourne today, and we got an opportunity to have a little conversation with him. He reminds me of one very old saying, it's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice. And I think Ashish ji is leading a journey that will inspire millions of people. Age is a number. Don't go by age. Go by what you need in your life, what you want in your life. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'll come back with a new podcast very soon.